Into comedian as you Ghana for no egg come out His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, only the State Attorney General. Efa Ahmed Suale, the case now no. Akobase Attorney General had discharge, the alleged suspect. Now for the case no what discontinue case is a case we actually did. I don't know Ghana for say here His Excellency. Okay, so the campaign 2024. Your college because the campaign. And the Ghana for no Eddie Bob Mahama just what be throw actually we mount no actually why amame. Our comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was a redeem. Or better like video no other one. Subscribe button, snap click the notification and latest update. Time back to the why the amame. Our comment section. Mess also bass for no shame for so any be ashe. It's a 16th January 2019. Anna one journalist, Ahmed Suale, a bass ya body to ewa crab mountain so. Emma from there na abese any why didn't bonny. It's even be cry allergy say, Kona Kine Yapon cry allergy say. Anas Aromia Anas, and I caused that murder to Ahmed Suale Emma because of that crown. Obekayana Kine Yapon any Anas. Ewo issue. Emma could try USA court to no. And there's now Anas filed for defamatory suit against Kenya. A Kobasa at the end of the day, no. The $19 million now open. Yes, it can into just $5,000. And Emma, Anas, Arumia, Anas. And you know what's on the yeka. On Ahmed Suale, a good for ever cast 1 year or more, the murderers, the killers of Ahmed Suale, no. Although the Jinam Emran and nobody.
The supporting of free, independent, responsible, and innovative media. We're dedicated to creating an enabling environment where media freedom flourishes alongside responsibility, and when innovation is matched by a commitment to sustainability. To the media practitioners here today, your work is not just about reporting the news or entertaining the public. It is about shaping the future of our continent and our planet. Let us strive together to enhance freedom, drive innovation, and promote environmental sustainability in our media practices. Let us ensure that the media, in all its dynamism and diversity, remains a force for good, a force for progress, and a force for change. I know that you've had a valuable and most stimulating convention, which will produce a forward-looking communique and declaration. And I'm pleased to have the honor to declare the convention formally closed. And in so doing, I assure you that Ghana's image as a beacon of democracy on the African continent will not be diminished in this election year. It will be fully safeguarded, as will the efforts of the law enforcement agencies to bring the killers of Ahmed Suale to book continue.
Now, some our court as a comu going back and forth, any other day. Investigation air cost we air cost near the idea and 24 election as a better tour. And then it was a trouble. And I got trouble. Mahama side the career campaign. Equidina Ahmed Suale Chromo. And what workers hey, want to marry Mahama, and I'm a bar. A lipo oku Ahmed Suale making sure say and Mladon in the bedi, you bet not to move.
I want to draw your attention to something. This is the hometown of Ahmed Suale, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Ya tu ya Mahama Erin ya March 17th March. And by say akwachi one Daniel Kurante. I say police etre say ono ene ya prime suspect. Ahmed Suale wo no ono any prime suspect I say yakwa kwachino e ma media say zubi edide say wabamba pa ba Mahama ba ye 2 months nie watimi achi nipa ni be say ogbo adwuma any other e say nka be shame last week and akoba I say the state attorney general Dr. Dominic Kutiringa Ayinde o kire mu say nipa kro na the alleged suspect na ye che no somewhere March 17th March no ya discharge no Daniel Kranti na discharge say onko onfa no enko na face no Ahmed Suale in the case no the state attorney general has discontinued the case.
Daniel Osu was arraigned before the Medina District Court on March 19 following his arrest. Prosecution alleged that he led 2 other alleged culprits currently at large to the home of Ahmed Suale, where he was eventually shot and killed by unknown assailants. In court on Tuesday, October 14, prosecution led by Nanefua Bamfo informed the court that they had been directed by the Attorney General to discontinue the case. Following the prosecution's withdrawal, presiding judge Susan Nyakote then ordered that Daniel Owusu be discharged and disposed of the case. Counsel for Owusu, led by Emma Jean Markin, expressed satisfaction at the development but chastised the prosecution.
I think that we were abandoning things that happened 2019, which is something that we cannot do in this matter. In 2019, when this issue happened, a lot of things happened. Several arrests have been made. Have we ever heard of anybody being paraded around the way Daniel Osu was paraded around? Has it ever been heard? But there have been several arrests. If there was more work done, like the way some media houses were saying FBI investigations, it would certainly not be pointing at my clients, because you would have known that the gentleman was all the time in the country.
She further disclosed that Daniel's mental health had been impacted by the case.
After the arrest and after his bail, he's even having to seek medical attention. He's had a lot of emotional trauma. It's not been easy, even for us as lawyers.
The Attorney General discontinued the case due to one lack of sufficient evidence to continue the prosecution of Daniel. He indicated that the sketch which was available to the police did not match with the description of the lead suspect, Daniel Osu. Another thing that came up was that although his phone was pinged at the location where Ahmed Suale was killed, that is in itself is not enough for him to be prosecuted or held for his murder.
It remains to be seen what direction the murder trial of investigative journalist Ahmed Hussein Suale will take, as his assailants appear to be gone with the wind.
Just what church investigation is not so snattered. I tell you, I can't delay. You won't be over the campaign. As on by her, a good for a bayasa. Wasa, were corrupt into intimate the killers of Ahmed Suale. No more time, no nobody will make sure say, hey, I said no. Nanny bedia chila, Kusiasi, or bet she will more, or more sansim hunona. Nesse, as I could say, I tell you, as we church as a Ghana no. Bibia e fragadam. The end of comedians will say TikTokers for no. Ene Mahama abe clash. Na winning sema omo eka.
Ebusuyame say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was so desperate to the extent say or the Ahmed Suale wonu kra no eye campaign. Na say no kopie mo Ahmed Suale kromo no or the tuja.
Ahmed Suale, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Say yakasana obi a desperate for power. Sani pano John Dramani Mahama. Me say no I desperate to the extent say obi a wo or the won kokoye politics catch them say so ba no be president we make sure say nipa om kun sa Ahmed Suale no on be bring you to justice na emra no any omodi they will bring those people to justice. Now so na me can say ono ankasa ni attorney general ya Ghana lawyer penyini me ne can say no case na ya Ahmed Suale case no work discontinue case no Isaac case no I have foolish case. You see, you believe in DC and Mahama at your own risks. Mahama ne or your campaign had the insuon pa ento, insuan ento, Eddie campaign. And then what is happening? And then what is happening? Ahmed Suale busia for and then the crew for one throw Mahama de Chamo. Come on, you catch my munti. Mr. Mahama, he is one of the desperate politicians. Young who organ had say. He never said anything serious, and he take advantage of anything that happens. He basically are not take advantage of not the idea of person there because when him say oncophobia, they'll believe in him when he say those things because I'm a person with them. Mutie.
Wow, Shamini will ultimately and check a century piece here the mount. I'm see a cassa entro party, no I say NDC. A cassa Dada party, no I just NDC. A cassa Google party with the NDC. A cassa Unchato party with the NDC. And me not John Germany Mahama ni NDC among who position. John Germany Mahama kwa Ahmed Suale use and one crew. A year campaign. No catch there, some mindful in say, or bar, ye electing as president. Into shemu bia na say justice bia obepa fa Ahmed Suale wuo ho no oba ba ye ebusia for me say mele mo de mo yenhwe soro ha ne yenhwe video na John Dramani Mahama e ka sa asem no wo Ahmed Suale impotem wo no yenye di yenhwe video.
Ahmed Suale, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Okay, abusia for say nyina ete. Da bia me ka say, ye ka say entro party a no ka say NDC. Hwe comment section wo apu azan ani NDC. Ke kan say mu nyina wo ma e kan say Ahmed Suale impotem fo nyina ne na busia for tetire wo mo re say oba obepe justice. E de ama Ahmed Suale ni wu no. Na men say mre men ka say bia no sa hwe me soro ha so. Hwe flyer bi nso a ehuja wo me soro ha. At a court. Why they were discontinue we church di Ahmed Suale ni wu no we church di na da ho no. Se me na minima kenkan bi. We church di e just don't Dramani Mahama nsem bi no ka no opposition oba why ba kumpo.
This is the hometown of Ahmed Suale, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Me say Ghana has say one Ghana ha upo bia on kanu kure no say dishonest e ibu Mahama papa we o petu mi an hwa obetima ye bibia anya wo ibu
hey Kanye Ghana for menenam social media isuana Nikoko His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 2024 elections the social contractor or the beto abontin say Ghana for to abamana ennyoma odi 120 days e officer or the bebano many kobo ba akoso na momi enkan number 23 or say and was through I will open investigations into major unresolved criminal killings, the Ayawaso West Wogon by-elections violence. Number 2, the murder of Ahmed Suale and Silas Wolekomi. Enti osioba Ayawaso West Wogon ntokwa esi ho by-elections no ntokwa esi ho violence by no behwehwem. Secondly, Ose Ahmed Suale ene nkofo a yakunkum omo se oba obehwehwemu na wachi sa nkofo yi e de akotum no ma justice aba. How many months now? Talk is cheap. Who promising families of these individuals with hope of getting justice, and what do they get? We'll show me video now. Say the lead suspect in the killing of Ahmed Suale freed after Attorney General discontinued the case. Jesus. Hey, Kanye. President Mahama na osioba obehwehwe sa violence wemu obehwehwe omo kun Ahmed Suale ene nkofo a omo huye ewo NPP pen so no ene attorney general dodo na afra no nolly prosecute the nickname no you say what discontinue case no enti no lead suspect ni anim say ono no ka ho bi no nku Ahmed Suale no ene you see a jai no enyam na me kan na that video na nimu no you see a jai because attorney general no what discontinue case no President Mahama aya ma ye nyesa one adi by social contract theory say enipa nyina surrender omu security omu bibia che say freedom rights and everything to the state Senebaya in return no the state will protect them and give them what they need, basic amenities and basic human rights. Now this our social contract we have nyamna mbeka yo wa na ukaye na fedie mobile one chinkofo na ntumkura na anase one fly asam na nkokota ma nipa ne ndeboy nipa na o eli suspect no yesi e jai no so nko attorney general say court case no oni e kire biem enti Ahmed Suale ne na busuafo tia e dia pa no bedwan fa Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho se ntro ope mu vote nti ope sympathy nti ubedi ntro de kire omo mo to abade ma wo ene hwede asi namaste
na ya me ya pa se obi begina ba bia ka se politicians en kanokre eya na ya me ya nanso empani se anansi wofia aya ye musa de onwene ntentan de entia enioma bia ma politicians no eye no omo nsem bia ya wo mo ka ema obi dibem so obeka se Ghanaian politicians en kanokre abusia me pese wo hunu nipakuo ene nkrofo a aya na mo mutu aba edema wo mo prior to 2024 elections your mampani anu aye den candidate Mahama John ekogina willinsi ekwohye bobi ka kire willinsi fo nyina se muamu dishie friend Ahmed Suale obi ekuni ya hu nipakro aban a wote so aye kufu ado aban emfa ho onye na gbe so be nhwemu bia nanso me samutu aba ne mame na se me ba baabi nipakro di ewu ni wo bia no meti no ampa willinsi fo de wose yoyo eto aba no e de ma omampani Mahama John abusia mi tumre na ma kire osie take and watch.
This is the hometown of Ahmed Suale, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, we would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Bravo. Ampa willinsi for the was here ayoyo. Ya tu abano e dia mo mampani Mahama John. Eni na enu eni nansa. Ya chi nipa bi a yesu se omo ye prime suspect. Ye de sa nipa yi ekọ court a aban lawyer pani a wo mampani Mahama John e na appoint him. Aba be katre Ghana for any court ni say sa nipa na ye chi na yesu se wo ye prime suspect in the murder case of Ahmed Suale no yentimi el continue na sem no eti attorney general a file nolly prosequa. Hey, na misu dia misu ehunu kakra na menim dia kakra kire me say ansana aban lawyer pani ebe file nolly prosequa no anya hwekra no odo omampani obe brief omampani ewo ho ana wan brief omampani na ade na attorney general aye no omampani are you aware wonim hu bi na wonim hu bi a edie nti ena nipa na yesu se we ye prime suspect no ye join se na asem no ye ntoa so Ghana is not interested ewo na asem ni mu abusia entwetwe waso kakra na ema wo hu na enka wo hwe so ufri willensi unia bi fi willensi ubusia ni bi fi yo Any empacho won't ya, dear cost one no. Omampeni Mahama John, any of mine lawyer penny, essay, any pana yatin is so cool this year. You're interested, when case mubi. It yenya no fan home could. Anyway, yet ye be this is Ghana.
Ubet Machele Wadrin Amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah Broke Media.